What's up, Evo?
So, yo.
Sit.
Turn.
On today's video, we're going to be upgrading the intercooler on my Evo 10. I got this intercooler a while ago. I just haven't had a chance to install it. I reached out to English Racing so that they could get a tune specific for this intercooler. That tune is going to be available to me very soon. So I figured, hey, why not slap the intercooler on and then wait for the tune. Okay. Let's see this right here. All right. Pretty big box. Let's open this bad boy up. A lot of peanuts. That's fun. Oh, this thing is big. Oh my God.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
There he is.
Please.
Mwah!
There he is. Come on.
The core is like double the size of my stock one, easily. Look at that. This thing is nuts. And it says Greddy on the top. That's a nice little feature. And it says Greddy at the bottom. Look at that. I like it. That's sick. All right, good morning, guys. Today we're installing the intercooler, but we're also going to be involving this FLIR camera. It hooks up right onto your cell phone. This is like an iPhone connection. I'm curious to see what the difference is when it comes to the change in temperature once I do upgrade the intercooler. I'm gonna do just 2 test runs, one with the stock intercooler and then one with the Greddy. All right, here's the car. Let's see. On the inlet of the intercooler, let me try to face it in there. You're looking at 100 degrees, 105, 106. Goes through the intercooler. The center of the intercooler is looking at 78. And then as it exits through the outlet of the intercooler, you're looking at 85, roughly. So from 105 to 85. That's the stock. That's OEM. All right, intercooler is out. Just a size comparison. Here, let me flip it over. That's more accurate. Really, the depth is what you gotta focus on. Look at this.
Oh man, that's awesome. Let's throw this bad boy on there.
One eternity later.
Okay, I figured it out. So, these brackets, these L-shaped brackets go on the bottom. These go on the side. The brackets, this thing, is now off the car. So now it's time to put these little L-shaped things on there. All right, brackets are now in. All right. Just how ink I hit through. You need to go more that way. Catching on something.
Yeah, it's this. You gotta pull the cardboard off. It's hitting right here.
Damn, that's a really tight fit. Okay. All right, cool. Whew. Next thing to do is connect this to the lower portion of the upper piping and throw on the bumper. How many hours?
That you said it was gonna take?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna take.
Hour and a half.
Thought it was gonna take an hour and a half. Let's see. I got here at 7 roughly, and it's 11. So 4 hours. I gotta love it. Oh, and one other thing that I forgot to mention that we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be removing the panels for the intercooler. Yeah, the intercooler panels are going away. I've seen what they look like with them removed. I think it looks way more aggressive with them removed. I'm still gonna keep the mesh. It's just literally the panels that I'm removing. And I'm okay with that. Yo, that already looks way better. That's like, it's not even on the car yet, and I already know it looks better. Heck yeah. Really easy to do too. It's only 4 screws. Okay, now let's put the bumper back on the car and call it a day. Okay, this is going to be the thermal for the Greddy intercooler, and obviously take this stuff with a grain of salt. A lot of factors go into play, like the weather, you know, that's a big factor. Earlier today when I recorded the stock intercooler, it was a lot warmer. Now the sun's going down and the air is a lot cooler. And I've been driving around for a bit trying to get this thing warmed up, but let's see what we're dealing with here. So if we go straight to the inlet of the intercooler, we're looking at like 95 degrees. You go to the core of the Greddy intercooler and you're looking at 57 degrees, and then it cools all the way down to 62. So this is a win. I will put the stock numbers and compare them to the Greddy numbers, and then that way you guys will know, you know, whether or not it's worth it for you to get this thing. I think it is, but of course that's just my opinion. We are officially done with the project for today. Dude, this thing, it's sick. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh shit, stop.
Look how aggressive that looks, man. Literally remove the panels. Those panels were garbage. I don't even know why they were put on there to begin with. They're way nicer. Super aggressive. I love the detail. Alright guys, well that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.